Assistant Attorney General Brian Gallagher described some of the horrific details of a home invasion that occurred in Nimitz Hill back in April. During opening statements today, Gallagher told jurors that Raymond Tatautau conspired with Anthony Mendiola and 16-year-old Kyle Cruz to break into the house on Ocean View Drive.
Tatautau found a woman, lived in the house, tied her up, beat her, tied her up with duct tape, you can see the duct tape, beat her so severely that a pool of blood formed inside her head. She was unconscious, and she was left there to die by Mr. Tatautau and his friends.
The three allegedly stole clothes, 2 laptops, and the woman's purse and fled. The victim's roommates returned home to find the house ransacked.
Finally, they found her laying on the floor, duct taped and unconscious. They cut her loose, cut her hands loose, cut duct tape off her mouth. They couldn't revive her.
Gallagher says police and the Naval Criminal Investigative Service searched for the suspects, and it was Cruz's mother who got wind that her minor son had been involved in the home invasion and contacted police.
Kyle Cruz said everything that he knew, how they even were planning, how they decided that they were going to hit this house, and how Mr. Tatautau played his part, how they each had a part, and how he did what he did. This indeed with intent to kill. Eliminate witnesses. Make sure there was nobody left behind for police to talk to about who was there and who did it.
But Tatautau's defense attorney, Sam Tecker, disputes that the attack was attempted murder.
Number 2, what I'm disputing is that Tatautau is involved in this case.
While Tecker didn't dispute that the victim was attacked and robbed and severely beaten and taken off island for intensive medical treatment, he believes the evidence will show a much different story, as the victim never pointed out his client in a lineup. Additionally, he said jurors would hear from several witnesses who will testify that it was Mendiola and 2 other men who had gone to the home to move furniture.
Another witness is going to testify that on the night in question, Matthew Manibusan came to his house with 2 other individuals. One of those individuals had a handgun. On that night that Matthew Manibusan stated he went to go move furniture.
Tecker says a neighbor reported hearing screams coming from the home and flashed a light toward the house.
A local lady came to the window, signaled that everything was okay. The government also failed to mention that this witness saw a green SUV leaving the house with a male driving it and a female in the passenger seat.
Tecker said the government has no physical evidence to tie his client to the scene and asked jurors to find Tatautau not guilty. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Mindy Egan.